Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The decimal fraction of 7 and 17 hundredths is what? So first of all, let us write this 17 hundredths. So 17 hundredths can be written as 17 by 100. So this is the representation for 17 hundredths. Now we have to write 7 and 17th or 17 hundredths. We have to write this in decimal form. So 7 we know is 7 plus 17 hundredths I have written above 17 by 100. So basically we have to add these two numbers. 7 and 17 by 100 can be written in decimal representation as 0.17 because two zeros are there in the denominator. Now let us add this 7 and 0.17. So how do we add? See, first of all we make decimal at the same place. So 0.17 and we can write 7 as 7.00 also, so that we can add it in simple manner. So 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 plus 1 is 1 and decimal place will be the one decimal point, and then 7 plus 0 is 7. So finally our answer is 7.17. So when we add 7 and 17 hundredths we will get 7.17. So this is our answer.